How you going there, guys? Just took a video explaining our new actually setup on some of our SKUs. So we'll put this video out there and we'll put like a note on the product page so you know what's going on when you get the SKU. We used to try and do the SKUs and some of them still will be actually with a all-in-one kit. We've just changed now to help with our stock keeping, so we can do things a bit better. It's going to be actually one extra step. So you're actually going to end up getting free packages from us. So the one package, if it's a SKU plus a fascia model, we call it. Sorry, screen plus a fascia model. One packet's going to have our head unit in it here. It's going to have all the head unit cables, trim removal tools, instruction manuals, actually sort of for the actual UI of the head unit. So that's one box. The other one's going to be a big bag, and it's going to be specific to your car. So it's going to have the fascia in it. It will be having the actual installation manual in it for your model of car, if it's available. And it will also have in there any installation tools, cassettes you need. So we've got trim tools in here, the OBD2 tool. Actually, some of them have a little custom tool in there if it's needed for the install, a stubby holder, a cable puller. And then there'll be one more, a little bag which just has your specific cable kit for it and CAN bus. So basically what happens is a specific cable kit from this one here, that is going to be what actually plugs into your car plugs. And that's pretty straightforward. All the other cables in here will plug into the back of the head unit. And there's just one step that you have to do, which is going to be actually sliding the screen into the head unit here, which is pretty straightforward. So all that happens is this slides into here like so. And there's a few screws that actually go in it, which I will show you how to put the screws in. So basically all you got to do here is I would just put the bubble wrap from the container down first. You can put the screen down face first, just protecting it. It does have a screen protector on there anyway at the moment. So that's just going to slide over there like so, and then in your little kit you're going to have a screwdriver and some small black screws, and all you got to go and do is tip out your screws and screw them in like so. So here's a little screw, and then go over here and do that one. And then some of them have a fifth one on the top and some of them don't. So if yours has that or doesn't have that, add that in. So here is this one on top here. And then the final thing to do is I like to just go back through and check them all. Don't over tighten them. You can also give the screen a push from the bottom of your fingers to make sure it's sitting in there nicely. So just go around them all, and there we have it. So that is basically what ends up happening, and you get the screen in your fascia. But that's all you have to do. It's just we've basically split the boxes up to allow us to hold stock a bit better and be able to ship things out without having such lead times on stock. And the only real issue for you is now there's probably a task that's going to take you an extra 3 minutes, which is screwing the screen in. So that's all there is. That's the only thing for you, an extra 3-minute job. All the rest is all good.